Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall HubSpot Sales Hub from your Salesforce org. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall HubSpot Sales Hub from your Salesforce org, begin by logging into your Salesforce account.
Navigate to the app launcher by clicking on the grid icon in the upper left corner.
In the search bar, type installed packages and select it from the drop-down menu. Find and click on the HubSpot Sales Hub package in the list of installed packages. On the right side of the HubSpot Sales Hub package details, click the Uninstall button. A confirmation window will pop up, informing you of the implications of uninstalling the package.
Review the information carefully, as uninstalling may affect any custom settings or data. If you are ready to proceed, check the box to confirm you understand the consequences. Click the Uninstall button in the confirmation window to initiate the process. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once uninstallation is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. To ensure that everything is removed, revisit the Installed Packages page. Check to see if HubSpot Sales Hub is no longer listed among the installed packages. After confirming the uninstallation, you may want to review your org for any remaining custom fields or objects related to HubSpot. If any remnants are found, consider removing them manually to declutter your organization. With these steps, your HubSpot Sales Hub has been successfully uninstalled from Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.